In today's video, we'll be looking at the different types of computers. The types of computers that we'll be looking at in today's video are the supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, and the desktop computer system or the personal computer. Supercomputer. In 1963, at the Control Data Corporation, which is abbreviated CDC, Seymour Cray made the original supercomputer. Supercomputers are the most powerful computers with respect to the processing of data and computer performance. The largest types of computers are supercomputers. FLOPS means floating point operations per second. FLOPS is used to measure computer speed in terms of the supercomputer. Information on the IBM.com website states that supercomputers are used for artificial intelligence programs. This site also states that petaflops are used to determine the processing speed of a computer, which is equal to 1,000 trillion flops. One petaflop computer system will perform 1 quadrillion flops. We're still looking at the supercomputer. So how fast are supercomputers? Supercomputers may be 1 million times more processing power when compared to the most powerful laptop. Current examples of supercomputers are Frontier, Summit, Syria, that is in the United States, and Cambridge One in the United Kingdom. Uses of supercomputers. So, supercomputers are used for scientific research, for example, the forecasting of weather, the modeling of climate, and also is used in nuclear physics or astrophysics. It's also used for artificial intelligence AI. So AI models are trained for discovery of medical drugs, digital pathology, and many other complicated AI applications. We also use supercomputers for medical research, new treatment development, synthetic images of the brain are created, and learning about diseases such as dementia. And also, we also use supercomputers in engineering, specifically for aerodynamic design of cars and also fluid dynamics simulation and crash testing simulation. We are now looking at the mainframe computer. Mainframe computers are less powerful than supercomputers and are not as large as supercomputers. Governments and large organizations use mainframe computers to process their operations. These entities process and store enormous amount of data using mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are frequently used for the processing of transactions and storing information about the organization's clients or customers. Mainframe computers are used by financial institutions such as banks, insurance companies, and also universities, airlines, retail sector, and tax offices. Examples of mainframe computers. We have the IMZ series, UNIVAC 1100 series, Fujitsu GS21 series, and the Honeywell 6000 series. We're now looking at the mini computer. Organizations and businesses that are small use mini computers. Mid-range computers is another name for mini computers. The processing and data storage for mini computers is less than supercomputers and mainframes. Mini computers are smaller than supercomputers and mainframes. Network and web servers use mini computers and will support many users at the same time. Let's now look at the uses of mini computers. Network and web servers use mini computers and will support many users at the same time. Many computers are used in educational institutions, research organizations. Many computers are also used for scientific calculations, file management, and databases. Let's now look at the personal computer or the desktop computer system. A personal computer is a computer that is designed for one person for tasks that are personal, such as word processing, browsing the internet, email communication, multimedia, and gaming. A personal computer system is designed to remain in one area, and it has to be connected to an electrical outlet in order to function. A personal computer has many components that are interconnected, such as a system unit or tower, which comprises of a central processing unit, which is also called a CPU, a hard drive, a motherboard, a visual display unit, also known as a monitor, a keyboard, a mouse, or a Mac Apple device that is an all-in-one computer. So the desktop computer system, we're looking at the uses. Persons at home and work use personal computers. Desktop computer systems are not as powerful as supercomputers, mainframe computers, or mini computers.